in 60 seconds. Replace the MacBook Pro 17 right clutch hinge safely and cleanly. Gather tools. Phillips drivers, Torx, spudger, tweezers, ESD wrist strap. Power off, unplug, and remove the battery before starting to avoid shock. Remove bottom case screws. Keep them organized by size and location. Open lid slowly, prop display, and expose the right clutch hinge area. Unscrew hinge mounting screws and detach the old right clutch hinge assembly carefully. Inspect the new hinge, match part numbers, and confirm smooth rotation. Position the new hinge into place and hand start the mounting screws to align part. Tighten screws evenly, avoid over-tightening, and keep torque light and consistent. Reroute and reconnect any display cables, ensuring they clear the hinge path. Reinstall the bottom case and return screws to their labeled positions evenly. Perform a slow open and close test, check alignment and smooth movement. Well done.